right. This is the TechOne Kraftei ME163. I don't even know how many designations they've got on this plane. But you know what it is? It's a lot of fun to fly, and it's ridiculously fast. So, on a 2-cell, she's fun and pretty docile, and just, glide her around like any other plane. On the 3-cell, like we're gonna fly for this flight, for number 10, she is a screaming comet. Because there's no landing gear, she's a hand launch, and I like to launch all my own planes when I can. What I've found that I do is I set my throttle cut to on, put her throttle at about 60%, 100% on the 2 cells, then I can just flip the switch and I've got, one hand able to control pretty much everything about her. Look at that. That's hands off and she's just gone. It's a great little plane. Yeah, a lot of fun. Pretty cheap if I remember right. Well worth it. Biggest weaknesses on this one that we found, a folding prop would be really helpful just because you do chip and break props on belly landers. It's normal. And she can be hard to handle on the 3-cell that's recommended. But you know what? Get it. It's a great little plane. Yeah. Until next time.
So as you can see, there's a fair degree of commitment that we at Angry Zeppelin have for you, our viewers.
It's so true. All of this comes out of our own pockets, so please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below what else you'd like to see here on Angry Zeppelin.
Until next time,
keep flying!